I'm Kaylee, and this bookshelf used to have hundreds of books on it, but today it stands empty. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you may remember this sad little bookshelf is actually my shelf for review copies that I receive from publishers. So I have this shelf separate as a TBR for all the books that I receive from publishers with little labels on each book that says, I got this one from this publisher, I got this one from this marketing team. So I remember who sent it to me. And then when I review it, I can make sure that I email them a copy of my review. And for years, for like the last 6 years, I think, this shelf has been full. I mean, like piled up on top and piled up on the floor, full of review copies that I got from publishers. But today, finally, I've actually finished reading and reviewing every copy that has been sent to me from a publisher. Now, this is quite a feat because usually I am lagging behind when it comes to getting out a timely review of the books that are sent to me. There have been times when I've had to tell an author, I'm sorry, I'm just not going to get to your book for another 6 months. That was the timeline, you guys. You send me a book, 6 months later, I'll actually read and review it. But little by little, I have been catching up with that timeline. And now I am proud to say these shelves stand empty. My track record with reading review copies from publishers has not been good over the last few years, okay? I mean, I always get them read and reviewed at some point, but it takes me a while. And every year, one of my reading goals is to try to read my own books and not request so many copies from publishers, but it's so shiny and pretty and, free. So I just end up requesting a lot more than I can handle. So I actually went and looked up some of the statistics of how many review copies am I reading every year versus just reading my own books. In 2021, 58% of my reading was review copies. In 2022, that was even worse. It was 81%. Now, this jump actually correlates with when my little nieces started to read. So I was requesting tons of picture books to share with her. So, those statistics are kind of skewed in a certain direction towards picture books. And in 2023, 75% of my reading was review copies. Again, a lot of those were picture books. And last year in 2024, it was 50%, which was a definite improvement, but still too many review copies, you guys. Now, so far this year in 2025, I have read 65 books that were review copies. So out of the 135 books that I've read so far in 2025, 48% of those were review copies. But as you can see, I've been working on getting this shelf empty. So I'm happy with that statistic because it means that, I got a lot of it done. So this is a proud moment for me when this shelf stands empty. It means there's this wonderful sense of accomplishment. The job is done. The task is complete. And for just a few minutes, I had this just delightful sense of accomplishment. And then the mail came in today. Literally minutes after I finished reviewing the last one on the shelf. And I hear the doorbell ring, and it's UPS with, you guessed it, more books from publishers. I had one shining moment in the sun, and then it's back to the grind again. And thus, the circle of life continues. And I have only myself to blame. I requested a book. I made my bed, and now I have to lie in it. I had one little moment to take a breath. And now that moment is over, and let's open this up and see what we got. Thankfully, it's not a huge box. At least it just looks like there's only one. Maybe if I could finish reading this like today or tomorrow, then I could still have an empty shelf. Why are these so hard to open? I'm just gonna tear it. Unicornia, the cupcake contest. Okay, this looks adorable. I requested this to be for my niece. This looks super cute. So I'm gonna enjoy reading this. Looks like it'll be a quick read. I bet I could just finish it today and then I could still enjoy my empty shelf. And then when I'm finished with this one, I can pass it along to my nieces, who of course love unicorns and cupcakes. Who doesn't love unicorns and cupcakes? So leave me a comment and let me know, what reading goal did you have that you accomplished it and that task was done, and then here comes the next book and the cycle starts again. That's always the way it is for readers though. You finish one goal and you just have another goal on the horizon and we just keep reading. I'm gonna put this right up here in the place of honor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and remember, the right book in the right hands at the right time can change the world.